Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going through this BMW 3 Series 320i. It's the LCI 2012, and what we're having, so it's coming up with this code here, 2E83 electronic coolant pump reduction. So you'll get a warning on there, but it may be amber with the coolant. Now it's to do with, so it'll not function. You may even have power loss as well. Depends on how the car feels. I mean, set sensors for you. Now, if you want to change the component, it's not the hardest thing because it's just, you've got a decent amount of space. It is located here. Here. It's that there. So once you've changed that, it should hopefully kind of cure the fault. It's not a case of coding it in or anything. It'll just be a case of plug and play, and you'll have to reset it, and that should hopefully do it. But obviously, if it is faulty, you've got to be careful because it will cause pressurized air into the system. It'll not be good for the engine, in other words. So make sure you do get to it as soon as possible and not ignore it. So this is the coolant pump. This is what it looks like. You can buy it online, anywhere. eBay's your best bet, maybe, I guess. Or original OEM, go to dealer if you're feeling rich and get one there. We do recommend OEM as it's always the best out of the rest.